What is up, guys? TechRax here. So in this video we've got a new iPhone 6 here. This is practically brand new. You can actually see even the sealing as I peel it off. Perfectly working, flawless condition. No scratches, no cracks. Legit iPhone 6. And we're going to be showing you guys the best way to destroy this. So let's have some fun. And that guys is how you destroy an iPhone 6. Check that out. It is a volcano, man. We've got a volcano up in here. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out.